Hi everyone, this is Yvonne Casares with the Monarch team. Today we invite you to join us at our 2023 Vision Board Party. It was pajama based, as you can see. We brought the whole team together to envision, inspire, and depict everything that they want to do for 2023. Let me tell you, it turned out absolutely amazing. We had a great time and we completely rocked our vision boards. I can't wait to see what happens in 2023 and that we actually accomplish everything we said we would.
For 2023, I want good vibes only. I want to make happy little memories with my kids and my husband. One of the things I didn't get to do this year was go to Paris, so that's on our vision board for the following year. I want a new home, and I want to sell more luxury homes. And with that comes everything else, the traveling and the fancy.
I really want to manifest health, wealth, and happiness. I really want to cap next year. I want to do what I love. I want to be who I want to be, and I want to believe in myself.
This year, I want to be more motivated, more confident. I want to be a top producer, producing more. And then also, what I would like to do this year is have a more passive income, so buy another investment property, travel more, invest more time with my friends, my family. And then what I would like to have this year is have more vibes, more nutrition, and also more vacations.
So for 2023, I plan on doubling my sales, so to sell 25 million. I would need to focus more on construction. I need to shop so I don't look like a bum every day. Working out, because I'm scared of surgeries, but I want surgeries. Definitely travel, work-family balance, and do my part.
So we're gonna start off with love, because I want to get engaged next year. So hopefully that happens. Okay. I know. I want to sell 86 houses. I want to work with 15 builders next year. I want to get more clients in Encino State. I have a lot of houses for sale. The watch, I don't have to get it, but it's optional. That's extra. So I want to make $1 million next year. And I want to buy a G-Wagon, and I want to have a credit score of 800. I couldn't find the 800, so I put 798.
I want to be a top producer next year. I want to be working to be my best version of myself. I want to be blessed with my family, traveling more with them, taking my business to a next level. I want to travel a lot. I want to hit a lot of jackpots because I love gambling. I want to take a family trip in a cruise, have more business for my family. That's it. Good fortune and traveling with everything. Oh, don't forget to smile.
Quiero construir mi casa, si Dios quiere. Alex is in my life, my husband. I want to travel the world, maybe buy expensive stuff. Proud to be in the Monarch team. I want to hustle more. My family is everything. I also want to get closer to God, have more trips, be a top producer. Yeah, that's it.
Hello, this is my 2023 vision board. On the left side is more about real estate, and the right side is self-love. But overall, I want to be very happy and successful in 2023.
Love my family, and I want to continue to be with my family. Que Diosito nos ayude a que mi padre y mi madre sigan bendiciéndome con su presencia for us to be healthy. I want to believe more in myself, but I really truly want to cherish yesterday, dream tomorrow, and live for today. Oh, I want to live by being true to who I am. And I have a lot of goals with no pasa nada people. I do want to live with that because we all know that it's all about the journey and not the destination. So sometimes we win some, sometimes we lose some, and that is okay. I want to continue to travel because that is really what I love. I love to go places and learn their culture, meet new people.
And another big vision for 2023 is to open up our second location, Monarch Houston, so stay tuned for that.
Hi, for those that don't know me, I'm Yvonne Cáceres. And for 2023, I want to find a little bit more life balance. I am a little bit addicted to work, so I want to ensure that I find myself a good balance between family, health, and work in 2023. In addition, I want to be a better leader, a better realtor, and be a better mother. And I also want to involve God more in my life.
Well, as you can see, all of our team members have great ideas, goals, and aspirations for 2023. Goal planning will allow us to remain accountable and committed to what we set forth for ourselves. Gratitude, focus, alignment will be some of the words that will allow us to work on in all aspects of our lives. Let's celebrate small successes and measure our progress towards our 2023 accomplishments. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next A Day in the Life of the Monarch.
Que sube el mercado y bajen los intereses.